This is Annie's activity. One of my activities. Baking muffin. Look at that. I hope maging perfect siya now. Ayun siya. Ayun ako.